Flossing in 2025 is faster, smarter, and refreshingly techy. From countertop pros to travel-friendly picks, these water flossers clean deeper, feel better, and fit your lifestyle. Time to upgrade your dental game without the string drama. The Waterpik Aquarius WP660 remains a gold standard for countertop flossers, combining clinical credibility with intuitive design. It boasts 10 adjustable pressure settings and 2 flossing modes, floss and hydro-pulse massage, tailored for deep cleaning and gum stimulation. With 7 tips included, it caters to a wide range of users, including those with braces, implants, or periodontal needs. The 650 milliliter reservoir offers 90+ seconds of uninterrupted use, and the 360-degree rotating tip ensures thorough coverage. ADA acceptance adds a layer of trust, reinforcing its effectiveness in removing up to 99.9% of plaque from treated areas. A 1-minute timer with a 30-second pacer keeps routines consistent, and its clean white finish with LED indicators makes it feel more like a dental tool than a gadget. It's ideal for home users who want a complete oral care system that doesn't cut corners. For users who love multifunctionality, the Waterpik Sonic-Fusion 2.0 SF04 blends a powerful sonic toothbrush with a built-in water flosser, offering one of the most efficient oral care solutions in 2025. This device delivers 3 modes: brush, floss, and brush plus floss, allowing for versatile routines that fit individual preferences. It includes 2 brush heads, LED indicators, and global voltage support for international travel. The flosser portion features 10 pressure settings and 60+ seconds of floss time, rivaling standalone units. Clinically proven to be twice as effective as traditional brushing and flossing combined. It's ADA accepted and built to streamline dental hygiene without sacrificing performance. For content creators or tech-savvy users, its minimalist design and efficiency make it a standout recommendation, ideal for integrating into smart bathroom setups or daily wellness routines. The Panasonic EW-DJ11 is a compact oral irrigator designed specifically for travelers and minimalists who don't want to compromise on gum health. This cordless flosser comes with a collapsible water tank and storable nozzle, making it easy to pack or store discreetly. Despite its small frame, it offers 2 pressure settings, standard and gentle, ideal for users with sensitive gums or first-time flossers. Its 150 milliliter tank delivers about 35 seconds of flossing per fill, and the battery-powered system, 2 AA batteries, eliminates the need for cords or chargers. With an IPX7 waterproof rating, it's safe for shower use, and the tank is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. While it doesn't have the tech bells and whistles of premium models, its portability and simplicity make it an excellent companion for professionals, frequent flyers, or content creators shooting travel-friendly wellness gear. The Waterpik Cordless Advanced 2.0 WP580 offers a powerful portable solution for users who want countertop-level performance without the bulk. It comes equipped with 3 pressure settings, 4 interchangeable tips, and a 7-ounce reservoir for 45 seconds of effective flossing. Magnetic USB charging and global voltage compatibility ensure seamless usability at home or abroad, while its sleek design and included travel case make it feel polished and premium. AD acceptance lends it clinical credibility, and its extra quiet motor enhances the experience, especially for those sensitive to sound. Being fully waterproof, it's perfect for users who prefer flossing in the shower or bathroom sink. Its design encourages consistency and ease, whether part of a morning routine or a mid-trip touch-up, making it a go-to recommendation for dental-conscious users who refuse to compromise on quality while traveling. The Nicwell F5025 Water Dental Flosser is a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on power or versatility. With 4 distinct modes and 11 intensity levels, it adapts to virtually any gum sensitivity or flossing need. Its 360-degree rotating nozzle and IPX7 waterproof build make it easy to use and clean, while the 200 milliliter tank provides a satisfying balance between portability and performance. A USB rechargeable battery with 30-day life makes it sustainable and travel-friendly, and its 5 included tips, including orthodontic and tongue scraper attachments, add layers of customization. The built-in memory function recalls your preferred settings, which adds a tech-friendly touch that many lower-cost models lack. Whether for home use or on the go, it serves users who want a reliable, customizable flosser without the premium price tag. A great pick for younger audiences or those with specific oral care goals like deep cleaning or brace maintenance. Water flossers in 2025 aren't just tools, they're tech-driven rituals for cleaner teeth and healthier gums. Whether you're flossing in the shower or sinking, brushing, and flossing in one sleek device, there's something here for every routine. Your next oral upgrade starts now. Check the description for all the links.